And hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today welcome to my episode 3 of my Roblox video beginners guide. And today I'm gonna be teaching you guys about basics of scripting and some other stuff. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see at the beginning of the video, I showed you guys I have this wall over here right in front of the spawn point. And what I'm gonna do is make this slowly fade away, or like make it transparent instantly. So to add a script, go into server script service. If I told you guys last time, the scripts are gonna go here, most of them at least. Click the plus button on server script service and click script. You're gonna see plus and then click script. I've already added one, and then it should open a menu something up like this, but you're not gonna see this because I already made this. But this might look a bit complicated, but it's actually super easy. So yeah, and if you don't see the menu, right click script and press open. Okay, so do this. So if you want to do the scripting, to make this part over here transparent, forget about forget about like these parts, because yeah, they're not important right now. Don't get carried away with these. Just look at this one line of code. Game, which is the entire, all of these properties combined together, all of these components combined makes the entire game. .Workspace, that means inside of game workspace, inside of .Workspace .part, inside of workspace part, which is over here. You can also rename it. If you guys rename this, it's gonna be different here. Like example, if I rename this into block, it will be game.Workspace.block.transparency. So keep that in mind. So game.Workspace.part.transparency. That means .part and part.transparency equals the property of part, which is transparency, and then equals 1, meaning this will be invisible. If you just write this simple line of code, as you enter the game, the part will become invisible. And then what I did over here is I tried to make it fade away. But there are easier ways to make it fade away, but I don't want to make it complicated right now. Okay, as you can see, game.Workspace.part.transparency equals 1, and then I waited once. This is the wait, what's it called, thing. It waits how many seconds you're gonna wait. So example, if I made this entire thing counting up to 0, where is it? Look, it's making it slowly come back, soon back to its normal position. As you can see, now it's normal. That's what I did, and there are some easier ways to do this, but right now for this beginner's guide, you can just write this. Okay, and now I want to tell you guys something about other stuff, such as variables. Variables are this they're think of it as the main holder of everything. I can hold a value for example, this part, local part equals 1. Now the part's value is 1. You can also do some other stuff with variables, but for the basic of this video, I'm not going to tell you guys about that. So now let's get into something else in this video. Okay, so you guys might have checked the game settings, and now you might have seen the save to access game settings, and now save to Roblox. This means now you're publishing your game to Roblox, but it's not public. You publish the game to Roblox, but it's not public, so nobody else can play it. So I'm gonna name this test, and yeah, let me make this smaller, and now I'm gonna save. And you can check what devices you can play on: computer, phone, and tablet, and console. But I'm just gonna make it test, and this is not gonna be a real game, so don't search this up. I'm not gonna publish it. Okay, as you can see, test over here. Now, after you have published your game, you can now click the game settings. Now you're gonna see many options. You can make your game's icon the thumbnail of your game. You can add a description. You can share some videos and screenshots to trailers, or I don't know, teasers of your game or something. Permissions, you can see who can play your game. I've made mine private right now. You can also check the game owner and collaborators. This is gonna be team create, which I'm gonna tell you guys later. Other future videos. Monetization, you can check like if you want the private servers to be paid access or whatnot, you know, badges and stuff. Security, allow HTTP requests, allow game to issue request to remote service. API service such as data store. This is gonna be super important. Data stores. Data stores are super important in the game. Places. This is version 2, local and stuff like that. Okay, now if you guys go into like world and stuff, you can change the gravity of the game and your jump height, walk speed, and stuff like that. And you add these enable collaborative editing. That means other people can edit your scripts and stuff. Facial voice. This is a voice chat and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna save this. I did not change anything, so it's not gonna change anything. Yes, I did not change anything, so yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is like, okay, I'm gonna tell you guys about like UI. I'm gonna teach you guys the basics of like UI of your game. So go and start your GUI. Click the plus sign. Now add a screen GUI. I showed you guys this in like past episode, like in my past episodes. Click plus on screen GUI and click. You have many options here, but you can decide what you want. You want to frame a text button, a text label, image label, text box, or image button. Like you guys can pick on anything on. The frame is just like a non-clickable GUI. And over here, if you add like if you add like frame, then inside of the frame, you can add like text labels, stuff, which is cool. And you can add like these are the buttons. I don't know where's the button. Yeah, button. As you can see, I can clearly click on this. It highlights up, and yeah, that's how you add like GUIs to your game. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if I should make more. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.